Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the emoji panel immediately. Press Windows plus period or Windows plus semicolon while your cursor is in a text box. This launches the built-in picker, so you don't need extra apps. Once done, you'll see categories and search at the top. Use the search to find the emoji by name or keyword. Make sure your keyboard focus is in the field where you want the emoji, otherwise it won't paste. This saves time and keeps your workflow uninterrupted. Next, find and insert the emoji you want by typing a search term or browsing categories. You can type smile, heart, or any keyword, and the list filters instantly. Then press enter or click the emoji to insert it into your text. For more control, use arrow keys to move and tab to jump between sections. This is faster than hunting with the mouse. Also note some emoji show skin tone or gender options beneath. Choose one to reflect tone or context appropriately. Finally, wrap up with advanced tips to make emoji use reliable. Try pressing Windows plus period and holding Shift in certain apps for alternates, and enable the touch keyboard on the taskbar if you want persistent access. Once done, practice inserting emoji in different apps to learn variations. If the panel stops appearing, restart Windows Explorer or check optional updates, because outdated system files often block the picker. If problems persist, make sure your keyboard layout matches your region and then retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.